Watch Amy Gross listen to the Sex Pistols. That's the name of this video. Shoot everything, you guys. Even the unimportant, trivial bullshit like this. Oh, hey, my flip phone. How cool am I? Because I'm better than everybody because I'm off the grid. In certain ways. Not in all ways. Not in every way. I wish I was. I need one of those streamer things. That would be cool. Who can give me a streamer? You know, an air streamer, not like live streamer. The video is still going and going and going, even though it says charged battery pack. Dude, it's snowing so much. Look. I need to get the fuck out. Look at this bullshit, dude. I mean, it's not bullshit. I mean, it is, but it's beautiful bullshit weather. I'll say that. I love it. Driving in it was not fun. It was very, very scary. Y'all saw some of that shit. You only saw a small portion of that shit, though. It was super scary on the interstate. Shut the hell up, Fiona. Quiet. Quiet. Anyway. Yeah, it was scary. Scary driving around. Bunch of accidents. Bunch of 5-0. All these parts of the road were blocked off. All these exits. It was really annoying. But yeah. You got some of it though, right? You got some of this evening of crap weather. Juxtaposed with really good weather earlier today. So, yes. It's bullshit weather, but it is beautiful now to look at. I love the snow, though. I grew up in the north, so naturally I love snow, but yeah, driving in it's not fun when they don't have snow plows because you live in the south and, you know, they don't prepare for this sort of thing. Oh, but anyway. I need to go to bed.